Let me see, Key.
You gotta grab it and squeeze it together. I don't even make a snowball. I don't put that cord down. You put that somewhere. You don't need another match.
Let me go, Cam. Don't step on the thing.
Step on it.
Camera recording.
Hmm? Follow my footprints. There go Kennedy. There go Kennedy.
Mommy,
Huh?
I'm taking the trash now.
You taking the trash? Key. Wave.
Okay.
Trying to see what happens.
I like it.
Huh? Wee. Uh-oh. It's showing me. Hold on. I can...
Keep going.
Kim, do it.
Go fast. All right, get up now. Let's see what you got.
Get up. What is that? Let's see. I can't hardly see it. Let's
Go. It looks like a
You
butterfly.
gonna do it, Cam? Do one.
Wait, what about later? Can I do it
No,
later?
you
My
already
hands are cold.
Okay.
My hands are cold. Let me do it
Casey
later.
just gonna do another one. Just go ahead and do it, babe. Yay. 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 Alright, that's good. Get up. Get up. You hitting grass. Come on. Get out so I can take a picture of the snow angel.
I think so.
Okay. Alright. I don't know if we can see it or not.
Camera recording.
Alright, this is the next day. Let's see if we can measure how much snow we actually got. Got this. I don't know if I can see. Did I do it the wrong way? I did it the wrong way. Okay, let's do it. This way, I think. So, what is that, 7 inches right here?
Camera recording.
Crazy. Oh, shit. Fell in. Okay.